Hello friends, welcome to KSP Academy. The last classes we discussed the lap winding wave windings. After that, the interesting thing of internal subdivided, there are progressive windings and retrogressive windings. Nothing but each individual we have the different types of windings. Let us we have seen that lap winding and the wave winding we are already seen. Lap winding two types, progressive lap and retrogressive lap. Retrogressive lap. Next here, progressive wave, retrogressive wave. Progressive lap and retrogressive lap, progressive wave and retrogressive wave windings. Now let us see one by one. Progressive lap winding we will see, then after we go for retrogressive. Consequently, four types you can see. Please watch very clearly, which are very important in the interviews. First one is progressive lap. Progressive lap winding. What is the progressive lap winding here? Let us go for a general lap winding. I should say the first conductor. What is going to happen? How should we draw this one? This first link is going to happening for a sixth conductor. First turn is completed. After this second turn, second conductor, the second movement of the coil turn should connect in the forward direction. After the first, second you connect. Like this, if you go, this winding is called as a progressive manner. It's nothing but it should come like this, it should go third conductor in a positive direction. This winding is called as a progressive winding. Example I should draw in the down to understand very clearly. After this conductor should come in a positive direction. Second one go like this in a positive way. This is called as a progressive lap winding. If you go for a retrogressive case, what is going to happening? The first case is same. The second case it might be changed. Please see here very carefully. So retrogressive lap winding means retrogressive lap winding should go like this and come to sixth one. After this, sixth should come to second. It should not come far backward. Come to previous conductor, 28th conductor. Go back to fifth. Come like this. It should go to 19th conductor. It should go like this. After this 18th conductor, go backward fashion. The winding should come conductor in backward fashion. Just keep on going to 18th conductor. Keep on continuation. These types of winding called retrogressive lap winding. Come backward in the lap winding. Example, let us see here. Previously, the conductor should be like this. I think we know. The second conductor, second coil should not forward. It should go backward case. It should come like this backward. It should be backward direction. It should be forward direction. It is progressive and retrogressive. This is the difference between progressive lap and retrogressive lap winding. I think very clear. Let's go for the case of wave windings. We have to see. It's very simple. Wave windings, a progressive wave and retrogressive wave. Second thing, progressive wave winding. Next we think, please you should draw a progressive generally wave winding should draw. Wave winding you think how to draw. This first thing will go 6th conductor, followed by 11th conductor, followed by 16th one. Keep on going on there. It should be your wave winding should going to come in here. After this ending of the coil, the second movement of the winding of the turn should connect it to after the forward fashion. It should first one completed first case. Second case winding should start like this. Second, followed by this, followed by this. So this winding is called as a progressive wave winding. After that, it should come into third conductor. Keep on going on that. This comes under a progressive wave winding. Let us, those who are not understanding, I should draw to understand very clearly. After the second coil should connect forward direction. Like this. This is called as progressive wave model. Next, retrogressive is very simple. To understand, I should draw very clearly retrogressive within a short time. Okay. This progress is over. Retrogressive just as like a lap model. This is a wave winding. The second coil should come connected to previous coil. First the previous coil is 28th one, back to this 28. Like this, it should go like this. Like this should come in the previous conductor. This is called as a retrogressive wave winding. Retrogressive wave winding. Example I should draw. Like this, now conductor should come forward direction. Sorry, in reverse direction. Go back conductor should go into connecting this way. Second coil. This is called as retrogressive. Retrogressive wave winding. This is what the types of windings: progressive lap, retrogressive lap, progressive wave, and retrogressive waves. It's very clear, I think, very clear. The next class we'll discuss simplex winding, multiplex, I think duplex, triplex, quadplex we'll discuss. That's a one type of setup inside the winding types. After that, we'll go for a single layer winding and double layer winding. That's one setup we'll explain. After that, singly entered, re-entered, and doubly re-entered winding, that we'll discuss. So there are types of windings will be there. Don't think that this much of things will be there winding. It is there. Please be learned very carefully. Not understanding, go forward and watch the video and come back to forward very clearly. Those are not clear this, go back to previous video. The previous videos I was explained the lap winding, wave windings we have to see. Then after this you can watch. The next classes simplex, duplex will be there. I hope very clear this. So any doubts, please make a comment on that in a comment box in my video. If you like my videos, please subscribe to our channels. The links will come to where you can enjoy things. Thanks for watching. Keep continue.